This home wasn't built on land, but on a factory line. A simple steel box, meticulously engineered into a complete living space. The exterior presents a clean, minimalist facade. Black frames contrast with white walls. But the true innovation is inside. Stepping through the door, the industrial origin disappears. A warm, wooden floor meets crisp white walls. The living space is open, illuminated by modern ceiling lights. This is not a container. It's a home. Every inch of the layout is optimized. The tour reveals the compact second room, a blank canvas with two large windows. The design prioritizes light and a sense of space, even within a limited footprint. The corridor leads to the bathroom. It has fully equipped a toilet, a sink, and a shower with pre-installed fixtures. All plumbing and electrical systems are integrated directly into the modular structure. But how was this level of finish achieved so quickly? The camera pulls back, revealing the truth. The house sits inside a massive factory. It's a product, one of many on an assembly line. Here, construction is a controlled, repeatable process. Each module is built in a protected environment, immune to weather delays and site constraints. The camera circles the unit, showing its self-contained structure. This is the core of modular building. A complete section of a home, ready for transport. The factory floor is filled with similar units in various stages of completion. It's a paradigm shift in construction, from a chaotic building site to a precise manufacturing process. This isn't just a house. It's a piece of high-efficiency engineering, designed to be delivered